Hi everyone, my name is Shannon Davies and I'm one of the speech language pathologist assistants at Autism Academy. Today we're going to discuss some ways to engage in conversations with your students, some tips, and how to ask questions. Some ways that we can integrate speech into our daily routines at home are cooking. Everyone loves a great meal. Have your child go through the recipe with you and making sure that they're enunciating each step and they're making eye contact with you. The second way we can integrate speech into your homes is to watch movies, YouTube videos, and watching TV. Everyone loves to watch TV. Make sure that you're pausing each time to ask your child questions, and so you know that they're understanding what's going on your screens. Okay, parents, so the third way to integrate speech into your home is to play games. Who doesn't love a good game? You can play Uno, play Legos, or any item that your child prefers. Make sure you're asking them questions and taking turns. Here are some tips that we use at Autism Academy that you can use in your home. Make sure that your student is having eye contact with you when you're speaking with them. Make sure they have great body language. Sit up straight and look at the person that you're talking to. So now we're going to talk about asking questions. Asking questions with your child is so important. Make sure you're asking them who, what, where, when, or why questions to know that they're understanding what is going on. Practicing speech with your child in your home every day is so important. If you would like more information or more tips of how to have a conversation with your child, please email me at sdavies@aaed.org.